You know, one of the biggest reasons traders and investors struggle, often without even realizing it, is because they're forcing themselves into asset classes that just don't align with who they are. It's like trying to run a marathon in shoes 2 sizes too small. You can do it, but you'll burn out, lose confidence, and probably quit before reaching the finish line. What most people don't talk about is that trading success isn't just about strategy, it's about compatibility. The market is a mirror, and the asset class you choose will reflect and challenge your strengths, weaknesses, habits, and even your lifestyle. So today I want to unpack how to choose the right asset class for you, not just based on returns or hype, but based on your personality and how you actually live. Let's start with the high adrenaline zone scalping Forex or futures. This is for the fast thinkers, the reactive minds, the people who thrive under pressure and can make decisions in split seconds. You need razor sharp discipline, emotional control, and the ability to walk away after 5 minutes of action without chasing another setup. If you're someone who gets bored easily or craves that constant engagement, scalping might suit you. But if you're anxious, overthink things, or struggle to detach emotionally from trades, this will burn you out fast. Now, swing trading is a whole different story. Swing traders are patient. They don't need constant stimulation. They analyze, plan, and let the trade breathe. If you're someone who's more methodical, analytical, or has a busy lifestyle, maybe a full-time job or family commitments, then swing trading stocks, indices, or even crypto might be more your lane. It gives you time to think, time to adjust, time to not live in front of the charts. And then we've got long-term investing. Think index funds, ETFs, dividend stocks. This is for the planners, the people who like stability, those who care about compounding over years, not hours. If you're risk averse or simply don't have the mental bandwidth to constantly manage trades, building a long-term portfolio might not be as flashy, but it can absolutely outperform most active traders over the long haul. It's simple, it's boring, and for many, it's exactly what they need. And then there's crypto. Now, crypto is interesting. It has its own culture, its own volatility, and its own rhythm. If you're drawn to innovation, disruption, and don't mind high risk and erratic markets, crypto can offer insane opportunity, but also insane emotional swings. It's not for everyone, but for some people, it's the perfect blend of risk, innovation, and freedom. Commodities, bonds, real estate options. Each of these asset classes demands a different mindset. Some require patience, some require speed, some demand technical knowledge, others lean on intuition or macro analysis, but none of them are better than the other. And here's where most people go wrong. They chase what looks profitable on YouTube or Twitter instead of what actually fits their temperament. They jump into futures when they really need structure. They try to day trade with a 9-to-5 job, or they try to swing trade when they secretly crave the thrill of quick scalps. What I've learned is this: your trading should support your lifestyle, not sabotage it. If you can't sleep at night because you're in a position, if you're skipping time with your family just to watch a 5-minute chart, if you feel like trading is controlling you, you're in the wrong asset class or the wrong time frame. And listen, there's no shame in changing. I've seen scalpers turn into position traders. I've seen crypto degenerates become disciplined index investors. I've even seen day traders become swing traders just because they had a baby and realized priorities shift. The key is self-awareness, not what makes the most money on paper, but what you can execute consistently with peace of mind. So here's my advice: take a week off from trading, journal your habits, your energy, your schedule, and your reactions to wins and losses. Then ask yourself, what kind of market experience do I want to have every day? If you don't enjoy the process, you won't survive the journey. Choose the asset class that aligns with who you are, not who you're trying to be. That's how you build longevity in this game. Remember, you don't need to trade everything. You just need to master one thing that fits you and stick with it. As you reflect on your habits, notice the patterns that emerge. Acknowledge your emotional responses to both wins and losses. They are vital for growth. This time is meant to clarify what truly resonates with you, guiding you to make informed decisions moving forward. Focus on that one asset class and allow yourself the space to grow steadily in your understanding and expertise. Embrace the journey as it unfolds, knowing that mastery comes from patience and persistence.